be leaving in like 20 minutes-ish. Our train's in 20 minutes.
If we can find a seat.
Pray for us. Because we probably won't be able to find it.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're going to be meeting everybody else soon. Yeah. Oh, it's raining so badly. And then we have like a 20-minute uphill walk.
Yeah, show them my suitcase.
It is huge. Like, look at it compared to mine. Can we just say?
It's not great.
It's really not. I want to see if you can see. The weather does not look good.
No.
No, I know. Okay, we made it. I can't lie. It's a little bit cold.
No.
And we've still got a very, very long walk ahead of us. It's really cold. I'm actually freezing. So we've just been to Abba. Well, we're still in Abba. We just went to Tesco, get some food. I don't know how we survived without a car last time, because this would have been like a 2.5 hour trip last time, where it would have been like half an hour. Yeah, so thank God for Archie being able to drive.
Yeah.
I think we've run out of time, Mia. Is that a guitar?
No, you haven't.
Teardrops on my guitar. I don't know. I'm giving up. Stop! What is it?
I'm responsible to be in it now. Huh? So we've we're in Abbott. No one. He's so strange. Anyway, we've just been into some shops, literally like 2. And guys, be in the vlog. Hi. Okay. And
guys.
No, that is fine. We're being real, okay?
We're just
but yeah,
honest truth.
we are. But yeah, no.
Hi. Oh yeah. What are we doing? We're walking down shops.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
very depressing.
I love how
walking
you're
with
trying
our legs.
I love how you're trying to be like into it.
I know.
I appreciate it, honestly.
I'm really into this.
Yeah.
No, I'm just being dragged.
Did you get your course the last time we were here?
Yeah, we did.
And Starbucks with me.
Starbucks is up there, but I don't know where
I can't remember where it was.
Okay, we just got cute little rings. We love it. We love. Okay, so we just went into this little shop, and me and Mia and Brooke, we got little like ribbons to tie in our hair. And Saxon, what did you buy?
I bought a gun.
He bought a
gun. So bought a little BB gun that I'm gonna use very safely, and definitely not shoot everyone with. But it's great. And it was actually not that expensive, and it's so good. I'm very excited.
And we bought little ribbons to put in our hair.
Archie wanted a duck. Archie didn't get a duck.
You didn't get a duck?
No, because Archie didn't have anything to stick it down in his car with.
Oh, that's really sad, actually.
But also, it was like £2, and my other one I got for 40p. So it was like, they have an ice white
do not
marker
shoot at any human
so
or
good.
animal. Do not shoot at any human or animal. It tells you it's probably
I
going to
love
suck.
that it says that though.
Yeah.
Okay, it's day 3. We haven't really been vlogging that much. Like, we haven't been talking about what we did.
Yeah,
but we
completely
literally we went into Abba yesterday.
Yeah.
I mean, we've been into Abba every single day, but we went in properly yesterday, like into all the little shops, which I did film a little bit of. Brooke's on a mission right now.
Brooke's gone.
She's off.
Brooke's
We
going.
need Coke.
Brooke's already been there.
She's got it. She's
got
back in the
it.
car. Yeah, and then today we just woke up late, had a late start.
We're still in our pyjamas.
Yeah. Ooh.
We literally just woke up at like 12 and
Yeah.
then just went to Mackey's.
Literally, yeah. Okay, we're on a little hike right now. Yes, we're vlogging. We are.
Shush! We are in danger. Keep walking.
I hate men so much.
So
Anyway.
we've got an hour to go.
Yeah, we're walking to the
We're
waterfall.
on.
But look at how beautiful it is.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. Okay, now we should probably keep going because we're going to be here for like several
They're gonna
hours.
get mad at us. Being the cameraman is so hot.
Okay, I just want to say that we literally started up there, we walked all the way down and up, and now we're by the waterfall, and I actually almost died. Just needed to show you the stairs that we had to walk down. Like, that's actually crazy. Just a little bit steep, those stairs. But we made it. Thank God we don't have to go back up. That's crazy.
Trees are literally like on the side of the mountain.
Nearly there.
But they're still rooted up. They're not falling
Wait.
over.
Ah! Okay, wait, no, do it.
He won't do it.
Let me film.
No, I'm not filming you.
We made it to this part. We're like,
This is actually a really romantic.
no, we're kind of like behind the waterfall now. We started up there, all the way up there, and went round and down. And I can't lie, it was horrific.
only just there.
Poor things. Anyway, so we went on the waterfall walk and almost died, but we made it, and now we've just come to a random field.
Almost died is white.
And
No, we didn't.
did you see those stairs, Archie? I literally had to hold.
almost
I
died.
literally had like
On the way here.
no. Anyway,
No.
it's really pretty. Is the point? You move. Anyway, guys, smile. You're in the vlog. Sax is in his own world.
Sax is just happy to be
Yeah.
here.
Oh, he's going over.
It's a natural. Where it's like, oh, hello. It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Mine. Stop.
Archie.
Right. Okay. So it's the last day, day 4, and we've just tidied up. This was absolutely insanely filthy. I'm about to go wash up in a
You
minute.
don't want to see the back.
You really don't. It's actually horrific.
We're just gonna get ready, tidy
Yeah, we
up,
need to pack.
get in the car, and go.
Yeah.
And we're leaving Mia here. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's so pretty.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
There you go. That will help.
The vlog! Say hi to the vlog. Yeah, we left at 1. It was meant to be a 3-hour drive. It's currently 6 o'clock and we still haven't, like, solid hour. So,
I want
don't trust that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, no, we appreciate you, Archie, for driving us for like 6 hours.